Hi, everyone. If you're always losing important tabs for work, research, shopping, or YouTube ideas, Microsoft Edge has a feature that keeps everything organized. Edge Workspaces lets you create separate spaces for different projects, so all the tabs you need stay together in one place instead of getting mixed up in a single browser window. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, click the Workspaces icon in the top left corner of the browser. Then click Create New Workspace. Next, give your workspace a name and choose a color. Then open the websites and tabs you want to keep for that project. You can create separate workspaces for work, school, shopping, travel planning, or YouTube research and switch between them whenever you need. Finally, if you're signed in with a Microsoft account, your workspaces can sync across your signed-in Edge devices. That's it, a powerful Microsoft Edge feature that keeps your projects organized and makes it easy to return to all your important tabs anytime.